What's up guys, Romsicle here, and these are the 2019 Jordan 1 Fearless. It's a full patent leather Jordan 1 with the colorway being a mix between the Chicago's and the UNC's. Starting off with the toe box, we have the smooth white toe box with the poppin' Chicago red toe, marking the second time we've seen the Jordan 1 with patent red leather since the 2003 Chicago's. Moving up, we have the red leather continue its way up, ending at the start of the swoosh and is met with the UNC leather with the split stitching. I'm honestly not too sure if I like this design or not, since the seams can tear after long periods of use. I had the same thoughts when the Homage the Home and Board of Governors Jordan 1s were released, but I do feel like this design is way better than having just the paint be splits right in the middle, which might be a little weird. But who knows until someone decides to do that. Anyways, we have the heel and ankle portion with the bright UNC colorway accompanied with that obsidian black color blocking, making the shoe look super sharp from the black reflections of that leather. There's just something about having a glossy black swoosh and reflective black accents that makes the shoe just look so mesmerizing. Also, here we have the Wings logo, which happens to be completely different than what we've seen before. Instead of just a painted Wings logo, it's now a painted gold wing underneath a plastic rubber bubble, with materials similar to a bouncy ball. With the new Wings design, it cuts the pop of the wings and defers your attention back to the beautiful patent leather, which I don't think they really needed to do, but I guess that makes the shoe a little more special compared to your average Jordan 1. The whole shoe is completely made out of patent leather except for, of course, the black nylon tongue with the reverse Chicago Nike logo and the red outsole with the classic Jordan design. The shoe also comes with 4 pairs of laces, which is crazy. You have red, white, university blue, and black, which is already on the shoe, so this shoe gives you a variety of ways to design this shoe to make it unique to your color style. So what else makes this shoe any different from a regular Jordan 1? Well, first off, the box is red and not black. The wrapping paper has MJ's quotes all over it. You get a Wings tag with Fearless on one side and MJ's quote on the other, saying limits, like fears, are often just an illusion. The insole is also different, with this white insole replacing the Nike Air one, with MJ's quotes all over it, as well as having this Fearless label boldly placed right below the shoe opening. It's just a lot of these invisible changes that no one will see while wearing it that makes this shoe a little cooler than your average Jordan 1. As for being on feet, it's definitely an experience unlike anything else. You're basically rocking 2 shoes at once. That's because people looking from the front will think you're wearing Chicago's, and then people looking from behind you will think you're wearing the UNC's, which in reality is actually a pretty hard flex since these are also patent leather shoes. And people looking from the side will be like, whoa, that's a pretty cool colorway with that half and half design. As for sizing, they go true to size and they fit just like your regular Jordan 1s, so it's pretty comfortable, has a lot of traction thanks to that outsole, and since it's more of a flat sneaker, if you want to wear this at the gym to lift some weights and do some deadlifts, it's perfectly acceptable to flex these since quite a few people actually wear Jordans to the gym. I will say that they're a little stiff in the beginning since it is patent leather, but if you wear it a lot, I'm sure it'll become a little softer and more flexible in the future. But if you're gonna wear these shoes, you're definitely gonna need some sneaker shields to reduce the possibility of creases, cause once you step off on these shoes, you're guaranteed to crease the leather. And if you don't like creased leather, this might not be the shoe for you. I actually had a lot of trouble lacing these shoes and wearing them because I really didn't want to crease them, but on feet they look amazing and it just looks awesome. If you want to buy these shoes, you can get them for a little over retail on StockX, so resellers aren't making that much money and some are actually losing money since the hype on these are pretty low. And not that many people are into patent leather sneakers anyways, unless the colorway is super fire and clean like the UNC's, which makes it a good thing in this case since if you want to wear this particular colorway, you can do so because the price is pretty reasonable. But that's been it. This has been a review of the Jordan 1 Fearless. It's a beautiful patent leather shoe that combines the ferocity of the Chicago's with the mellowness of the UNC color, which I just find to be an amazing match. Thanks for watching this video guys, hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.